Yeah. Lay down. Alright, update time. George, get back over here. Over here. Come on. Let's see how the resolution is on this. See that cranks in little lines. A little groove there. Yeah, we're going to take that off. Everything's tore down and ready to go back together, but the crank is not in the best shape that I thought it would be, so I'll go ahead and polish up all the journals. It's actually a few little lines that kind of worried me until I put the measure calipers on them, and everything's still in spec, but I'm gonna probably go 10 under and polish them real good. What else was I saying? That's it. Oh yeah, the heads, the EGR ports in the back, they are threaded, so you can just screw a bolt right in there and plug them up. So easy times. All right, for now, I guess that's it till we start putting things together. Adios. Say bye, George. Oh, it's not letting me lay down, boy.